Hello, everyone, and welcome to Mr. English Cast.
Welcome back. We are happy to have you here today.
If you want to improve your English through simple conversations, you are in the right place.
Today's topic is very useful.
That's right. Today, we will learn how to answer the question, "Tell me about yourself."
This is one of the most common questions in English.
You may hear it when you meet new people, join a class, attend an interview, or start a new job.
Many English learners feel nervous when they hear this question.
But don't worry. We will make it easy.
Let's begin.
Hi, my name is Olivia. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Olivia. My name is Daniel. Nice to meet you too.
Daniel, can you tell me about yourself?
Of course. My name is Daniel. I am 27 years old and I am from Canada.
That's great. Which city do you live in?
I live in Vancouver.
Do you enjoy living there?
Yes, I do. It is a beautiful city with parks, mountains, and friendly people.
That sounds wonderful.
What about you?
I am from Australia, and I live in Sydney.
Sydney is famous around the world.
Yes, many people visit Sydney every year.
What do you do?
I am a university student.
What do you study?
I study graphic design.
That sounds creative.
Thank you. I enjoy creating new designs and learning new skills.
What do you like most about your studies?
I like working on creative projects and sharing ideas with other students.
That's interesting.
What about your job?
I work as a software developer.
What does a software developer do?
I create computer programs and help solve technical problems.
That sounds challenging.
It can be, but I enjoy learning and solving problems.
That's great.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one older sister.
What does she do?
She is a teacher.
That's a wonderful profession.
Yes, she enjoys helping children learn.
I have one younger brother.
What does he do?
He is a college student.
What does he study?
He studies business management.
That's interesting.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
What is Luna like?
She is friendly, calm, and very curious.
She sounds lovely.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Rocky.
What is Rocky like?
He is energetic and loves playing outside.
That sounds fun.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books, listening to music, and taking photographs.
Photography is a great hobby.
Yes, I enjoy capturing beautiful moments. Easy English conversation for beginners.
I like playing football, watching movies, and traveling.
What kind of movies do you enjoy?
I enjoy comedy and adventure movies
Why do you like comedy movies?
because they make me laugh and help me relax.
That's a good reason.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
Mine is pizza.
Pizza is popular everywhere.
Yes, many people love pizza.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue
Why blue?
because it reminds me of the sky and the ocean.
My favorite color is green because it reminds me of nature.
That's beautiful.
Daniel, what is your dream for the future?
I would like to start my own technology company one day.
That's an exciting goal. What about you? I would like to become a professional designer and work on international projects.
That's inspiring.
Thank you.
I enjoyed learning more about you today.
I enjoyed learning about you too.
Today, we learned how to introduce ourselves in English.
We talked about our name, age, country, job, family, hobbies, favorite things, and future goals.
These topics can help you start conversations with confidence.
Thank you for listening to Mr. English Cast.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.